Kullu metashe, something per moment to be. Kullu metashe, kashera yakana with the ba. Otum fuwana na she. Mutrim ya mede, oh ya mefe. Kumara kapa, what to sa, what's the mommy, my pupa. Me don't know me and never boompa. Me don't know me and never.
Yo, what's up? I go by the name Virus. Call me Starboy Virus. Come Virus. As you can see, I'm a real location. Set to be once on American on the set of Girlz Hostel.
Hey, Obi a Joby boy. When I do young boy. What is going on here?
Hi, Girlz Hostel. Only just a series here, one of the series. You see here, we see my yama, me to say, ah, I do my name. Because many more talk of girls. It will be a campus, go and no run 50. Okay, and then
me mama nibi, me papa nibi. Open a many down so.
Miss Many down so.
Na se me koye de omu ye ya. Wa hwa nti e.
Wouldn't answer pa. Some can.
Me fa me hu to dabi me fa me hu to bia.
Miss Revo to bia me pa chow. Why?
Obi won so ko no ye hiani. Obeba no obi skeni. Wa wo school university student na skeni. Ko ave na fa so unye scan.
Hey, now who can they transfer no? Who expect say me cheche me dey one na me ending offer. Money na hand. So, you see the thing? Uncle.
When you foot to our say, you ma youth now, more SHS now, more investing. A foot to be almost a way, and maybe a farmer or bar, or no banning, one trust and Girlz Hostel.
Bibia, tipsy.
Ukasawa, eh? You dear, ex. Just cool your temper, okay? Come on, eh?
If you're doing something trash, I'm telling you, I'm
just
warning
take
you.
The money.
Be careful.
And
be careful. Because me no menye Isa, and I'm not leaving you.
I tell you something.
Give me the money.
Send
out the patame.
We ain't patabia. We no cause so buy or no corner.
I'm telling you, we share a lot every Girlz Hostel. And then artists no more money a chow. Girls, know the lives of abnormal people.
One guy no friend. Charlie medi bingo. Medi little too sure. When you say Magdan Banono, you don't say Magdan Banono.
It's Angie's, Becky, just almost tossing.
Of information, I don't want my palm. Who bet you are not most often though.
When will you stop talking into people's business?
I think you are missing my brother, Stain. Stain is here on the set, and then Vibes now why dang.
A dog in the so say person call or say omo yes salad your person call maker. In general I'm a tour ticket man no. Yeah, me man British Airways. Yeah, so on fly business class that into or get ticket say on 2 kwan into onim even ticket in the into go do airport of hey business class as I say when you live yeah. And there for sure reason. Yeah, and I'm money $1,500 say on function on find your life.
Because only somebody staying next year, we are the Vibes near Tari. But staying there, my family. I put too much. I was high chrome for
Staying.
Oh, yeah. Oh, we have 10,000 Ghana cedis there.
Hey.
Yeah. Oh, we have no one now, me, we have Tari, I'm Thomas. Who's a mimi, you'll be on. Me, have been not so obedient on your father.
No, listen, I'm a big boy. Forget about level. I'm a big boy. Almost a Virus boy in our young school man. He's my boy.
Who Virus?
He's my boy. Like if I say he's my boy to extend my money scatter say me yamba.
You real money and you was just to go cry say. You go village on no. You cry na chime no. Bura achra.
Abomination has no remedy.
Abomination has no remedy.
Okoto say obi kan abomination has no remedy. Asiye chire say abomu asiye ni kwase be ma wudi.
Edabro bantampan.
Is a henike.
Is a henike.
Abro openji be na na ba na won krofo.
Abro openji be na ba na won krofo. Booster.
Speak ebomu o.
Mura ono so akwa bridge train na fans wo angu. Oba village wa be chira de. Mo am here be kose.
Ade dey how. Let's go that no na 3 family so.
Oh, bro, chilo.
Ah, me ba me dey ho ba. Me ba enso a yesa kase. Hey, ye kwa kosi me. Eze bi wo nyina pa boni nko a na ba mamo. Me dey kwa metuma bibia me na yi. Ah, tre yo.
Timi fa so won
tre me kwa kwachira de. Me kwachira de na tre. Ne tenten pa tre. So wo hu tre na.
Ah, se tre de me hu bebrebe.
Ka je tie so ko hu tre na.
Ah. Takrade, ukota krade bu wo ho. Ukota ma bu wo ho. Tre de se nyena.
Abrafu de ne tenten. Ewa. E ba be me hu. Me hu. De me say yam.
Hey,
me da kwa no so na me so. Twifa me so tintin nyina. E twifa me so. Say tre e fo bi so na uye kwa enyina.
Brigadier so the eja. There's this guy, I always talk about him, that guy is special when it comes to acting. I love his acting. Okuta skills angasa. Now just imagine him brigadier or no village and the girlfriend who university. I'm brigadier di aduane kwa come and get me school. Or the good deal.
Hey.
Why from all this place? Don't you know this is a residential area?
Me sure Osa.
So if you're coming to look for somebody, does that make you to have that privilege to make noise or something?
Oba pepi uko achiro do. Me chese me hwe me mpla Osa. Me na wa so ase ye kura ho. So na so oba school eja kromasem. So hu.
Ah,
Magi nko o. Oba ba yare yo ni se kam se me de. Bibi ga kai bre so hu.
eh, there is one son.
Aya ba chi kontom le nyama nyama kaka enye kan wom. Dawa nkruma wanwan mati dua pia bibia bi. Ofa mo ofuo ni se ho to.
Now, and then who does this?
Watch Girlz Hostel. So now I'm telling you, Girlz Hostel is not coming on Starboy or Osekrum TV, but rather Sun City TV. It is make sure we are subscribing to Sun City TV. So person who Girlz Hostel, and easy.
Like yeah, what are brothers for? You know what I mean?
The process. What kind of man? Yeah. But you'll be on channel. Who's the most of the time in Ghana has this coming channel who among you? He's a simple guy carry. Oh my 20.
I don't care about you having money or what. Okay. Love is all that matters.
We told. Ijo ka no kwa kiswe toy. Ugbo woni prepare me. Hey, you fa kan ko no me concert na you ka asem choya ti.
Excuse me, me patrol. Miss Rom. Me pete me rem kakra. What is going on? Car ben ho asem na mo.
Bo ye nyina ye tie. Oboa.
Are you talking about this car?
Yeah, this car. No, it belongs to our boss. Your boss no if any ego.
Do you have money? Do you have money? I bless you with money. I bless you with money. You will be blessed. You will get cash. You'll be like me. One day. Do you have money? You don't have money. Hey!
Dang! You will serious. But we are serious, I am telling you.
But girlfriend, like we are friends. And besides, you are my friend's man.
Ella, you see, me person me can't send the brewery. What I say? Fine, your friend is there. But when him said the very phrase that me home, I said like, when I me feel you, so what I say. But suddenly I don't know what happened, and you know, medical tours are gone anymore. Or that is Abena right? And
no, wait. So you trying to be nice with me, no? Like this is what you want to tell me, right?
Sure, a friend is saying, pack your car park or not. Be a box of the cash me 5,000 bring. Huh? No, but I mean receptionist na kasa. Who do reception? Okay, huh? Okay, no problem. You try why?
Catching means I made sure say. Aha no. You go so be any guy.
Enti na so onye nkoso.
Me tu shame no. Abia no aba for obi.
Wo bua na wo aba koto.
Awa. Me ka no want me be say me chese.
Me ka no want how do wo ma be hwe happen sister.
Kwa na me.
Ko you tell me ya tell me. Your friend was sir. Osa, afiesa.
Oh, na di osa.
Wo kum here.
Osa na me nim no wa ha na no osa afoforo.
No osa, that osa bi ani osa oba pedi. Ada.
Subscribe to Sun City TV. Now one kasa be who say yes. E ho no mo mpe gorogo ya na ma wo. Ana adwuma we say na. It was directed by me, myself and I. Someone who said me that camera need to gorogo ya bi ani. Ijegu.
Do you have money?
O ma fan be say e goro na tobo.
Ijegu. Do you have money? Ijegu. Do you have money?
Ijegu.
Yeah.
We okay.
Nah.
Me okay.
Okay. Oh, baby, listen. Ijegu ni. Ena Ijegu, on the whole campus. Nobody come closer. And Meridia who say, you be able to forget your mom casabe brain. But who took 1 year before you get to your final destination? A whole lot of transit and things, you know. In Tomokas or Pema Mubua, no yard or pet. Yeah, when I win a lie. So you join with the what I say. Ijegu, do you have the mammy on Pema Man and a pen?
Can you imagine, say, me who's lying? Oh, it's never true. Huh? It's never true. Ella and me yes sardine. Ella can't fuck on my back. No. Abena, Mama wrong you for that. No, you know, Oma 100 info bar. This time they know, you know, Ella is afraid. Like we in a circle, the circle is tight. And I'm not sure say Ella will eat something I'm eating. Come inside. Hey, girlfriend, what's up? Ooh. Hi, how you doing? Meet Papa J. That's my friend I was talking about.
Oh.
Yeah.
Papa J.
Why do you guys know each other?
Me no.
What do you know why?
Guy I'm in the hole.
I'm telling you, person I can't say me na. File phone. Subscribe to Sun City. SUNCITY. Now the TV not trust. And course I guess we still not friend. Say Star Boy, I don't say no DM. I don't go talk much. Just watch Sun City TV and then check Girlz Hostel. Girlz Hostel. Girlz Hostel.
To what the souls we lost, to what the battles we fought, to what the harm we caused, to what the girls we fucked. God bless the day we born. Forgive before we gone. First in your nasty chille, and then Louis Vuitton. Yeah.